What's up everyone, this is Derek Howes, and today with the help of some Labrada Nutrition protein powder, we're gonna make my bodybuilding whoopie pies. They're packed with protein, quick, and absolutely delicious. So let's jump right into it. Really quickly, the first thing we're gonna do is make a protein mug cake. So take out a bowl and add 1 large egg into it, 3 tablespoons or 22.5 grams of coconut flour, 1.5 scoops or 58.5 grams of Lean Pro 100% whey chocolate protein powder, 2 tablespoons or 10 grams of cocoa powder, half a banana, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2.65 ounces or 75 grams of a fat-free vanilla Greek yogurt, and 1.5 tablespoons or 22.5 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips that you're gonna wanna melt in your microwave. Go ahead and mix everything together. The riper your banana is, the easier everything's gonna mix together. Next, take out a mug, coat it with some non-stick cooking spray, and pour your mix in. Now into the microwave for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, lightly mix everything together and put it back into the microwave for 90 seconds. Once your cake starts to rise above your mug, it is done, so keep an eye on it. Take it out, let it cool, flip it over, and cut it into 4 pieces. For the quick whoopie pie filling, take out a food processor and first add in half a cup or 116 grams of fat-free cottage cheese. Then 2.65 ounces or 75 grams of fat-free vanilla Greek yogurt and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Process everything together until you have a frosting-like texture. Evenly distribute your filling onto 2 pieces, close them, and there are your high-protein, bodybuilding whoopie pies. As far as the calories go in the whole recipe, there's 729, 17 grams of fat, 66 grams of carbs, and 78 grams of protein. If you want the breakdown per whoopie pie, you can find it right there. 2 tips. 1, you should keep these in the fridge and they'll usually last around 5 to 7 days. And 2, by using a bigger or smaller mug, you can change the size of your whoopie pies. Before I end this, I just want to quickly mention that I've started doing exclusive content for Labrada Nutrition every so often. Nothing is changing aside from me putting out more content. So if you're not yet subscribed to their YouTube channel, you can do so by clicking right there. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like these whoopie pies, smack that thumbs up button, everything in moderation, and of course, stay healthy.